Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into Advanced Features option, this one. Here scroll down one more time and go into Screenshot and Screen Recorder. And now, how you can see on the bottom, we got Screen Recorder block. So here we got our sound settings, so if you tap it, you can change, for example, no sound, media sounds option, or media sounds and microphone option. And for example, if you change to no sound option, tap it and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.